A very good morning to you, students. I hope all is well. So, let's begin with our English class. In the last class, we learned how to write a formal letter, that is, letter to the editor. We learned the format, we saw a sample. So, we'll do a quick revision of it. All right. So, first thing first, we start with the sender's address. We leave a line, write the date. Again, we leave a line, and then we write the editor's address, who's the receiver. Thereafter, we leave a line. After the address is complete, we leave one line and we write the salutation, which is sir or ma'am. Then we write the subject, which is the problem. We begin with the introductory paragraph, wherein we state the problem in detail. Then we write the second paragraph, wherein we write the solutions or the measures that should be taken by the authority. And we conclude with the concluding paragraph. After the concluding paragraph, we write the subscription, which is yours sincerely or yours faithfully. And we write your complete name, which is your signature. Complete name of yours. All right. So this is the format, and the word limit is 100 and 120. Okay. Now let's take a look at one more example, which is, so the question is, you are Akanksha or Abhijit staying in a society. There are no street lights on the main road leading to this colony. The road gets so dark after 7 in the evenings in winter that the possibility of major accident cannot be ruled out. Write a letter to the editor of National Daily newspaper drawing attention of the government to the serious problem of the residents. As discussed in the previous class and few minutes before, we start with the sender's address. So sender's address in this case is B101 Indra Apartments, IP extension New Delhi, and the pin code. As stated before, we leave a line. So here we've left one line. We write the date, which is 19th March 2020. We leave a line again. We write the letter to now we write the sender's address, which is the editor, Times of India, Kasturba Gandhi Marg, New Delhi, and the pin code. We leave a line again, okay, and we write the salutation, which is sir in this case. Now the subject, no street lights. We begin with the first paragraph, which is, through the columns of your reputed newspaper, I wish to draw your attention towards the problem being faced by the residents of Indra Society. There are no street lights on the main road leading to this colony. It is winter and the road gets very dark after 7 in the evenings. There always remains a danger of some major accident. Since it is a very busy road and all sorts of vehicles move up and down. So now, in this first paragraph, as you can see, we have addressed the problem. We've told through writing that the problem is that there are no street lights on the road and it gets very dark, due to which accidents happen or take place. So we've addressed the problem now. So in the second paragraph, we are going to take or state the measures that should be taken. So we write, the residents have approached the Nagar Nigam time and again, but nothing has been done so far. It is requested that proper lighting arrangements should be provided along this road. So we complete a second paragraph where we've stated the solutions that the authorities can take to avoid such a thing taking place. Now we actually come to the concluding paragraph, which is, it is hoped that these lines will help to stir the authorities to some sort of action. So we've also concluded the letter now. Thereafter, we come to the subscription part, which is yours faithfully. And after your subscription is done, we write the name, which is your full name. So you need to write your full name. In this case, the name is already being provided in the question. So Akanksha Mathur. So here we're done with this sample of letter writing, that is letter to an editor. I hope things are clear, and it's the second sample that I have given to you. Just go through it, read it thoroughly, understand it, learn the format, and all things will be fine.